Good morning. It is 7 o'clock. Been up since 6. Today's the last day of my trip. The goal is to climb a mountain that has eluded me 2 other times before. It's a bit of a drive from here still. It's still about 2 hours away, so I do need to get on the road. And it's a longish hike, about 12 miles round trip. So not a quick little jaunt, so I do need to get moving. I'll show you a bit of the canyon as I'm driving out. Let's get on the road. The road coming up here actually wasn't too bad. It's you can definitely tell it's been maintained recently. The only problem is that down by the start there was a pretty steep dip down into a creek bed, so you need at least medium clearance for that. Okay, I'm heading into the mountains, heading east from the town of Fillmore, Utah. This is the route I took on the first day of this trip, and I wasn't able to get to the trailhead, and so I had to bypass it, but I'm hoping that today I can find the trailhead. I can go via a better route and get to where I need to be. Okay, I'm at the trailhead here. Parked over here. I don't know why the camera's doing that weird line of light. It's been doing that on this drive, but gonna start hiking over here. There's one other vehicle parked. Got a nice little stream. As I understand it, the trail actually crosses the stream a bunch of times, so I'll probably be getting my feet wet here pretty soon. This is not exactly a short hike. I believe it's 6 miles each way, so 12 round trip with I think like 4,000 feet of elevation gain, give or take. Normally people use high clearance vehicles or ATVs to drive up this mountain. There are a couple of different ways you can drive up. My car wouldn't make it up either one, so I'm doing the hiking route. And I'm at my first little stream crossing here. Let's try to keep the feet dry. For as long as possible. Whoa. I'm fine with hiking in wet shoes if I have to, but if I don't have to, then that's even better. Beautiful area back in here. I love the water. I love the trees. It's gonna be a good day. It's a beautiful day. Well, I made it up here to the top. I gotta say, this mountain took longer to climb than I thought it would. I've just been feeling really tired. I've had to stop and rest quite a bit. This mountain is called Mine Camp Peak. It is a Utah County high point. That's why I was interested in climbing it. I want to climb the highest point in each county in Utah. There are 29 counties in Utah. I have just 3 mountains left until I've done all of them. And this one had eluded me 3 times. I'm happy to have finally made it up here. So let me go over some stats here. Total distance, 6.5 miles, so it'll be 13 miles round trip. Elevation gain, 3,820. Oh, and it took 4 hours and 9 minutes to get up here. Pretty slow going. There was one section where either the trail didn't exist anymore or I lost it. So that was a bit slow going, and that was the steepest part of the hike too, but nice views from up here. I'll give you the 360 panorama view. It's a nice day. It's warm, but it's not too hot. Got some threatening clouds over this way, so I'm gonna skedaddle pretty quick here. I came up from down here and then over that way. Yeah, I'm just gonna have some snacks here and then head on back down. Again, I usually don't spend too much time on mountaintops. They're just kind of the halfway point. You still have to get down. So I'm gonna eat, drink, head back down. I'd really like to get to my wife sooner, or get back to my wife tonight sooner rather than later, get back home. So I'm kind of motivated to move fast. So it'd definitely be faster going down than coming up, obviously. Yeah, either way, I'll see you in an hour, couple hours, a few hours. I guess we'll find out. All right, I'm about 5 minutes from my car. Don't know how long it's taken me, but not nearly as long as it took me to go up. A couple hours maybe to get back down. And I'm gonna end the video here, because once I get back to my car, it's just driving straight through back on home. A couple hours, 2-3 hours, something like that. But yeah, this is the end of the video and the end of this series of videos from this trip I did down to northern Arizona and back. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed videos from the trip. This was the first trip I've done with the drone. Let me know what you think about that, how you like the drone. Let me know what your favorite part of this video was. Hold on, I've got a stream to cross here. Cool. Let me know what your favorite part of this video was. Let me know what your favorite part of the trip was. And let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching this video, and thanks for watching this series. I'll see you again soon in another video and another trip. Thanks for watching.